Most financial advice is the same: save more, budget better, work harder. But if that actually worked, wouldn't everyone be financially successful by now? What if we told you that the easiest way to achieve your financial goals isn't about saving pennies or cutting lattes? Instead, it's about using leverage. And no, I'm not talking about debt. Let's break it down. Most people think earning more means working harder. But the truth? No one gets rich trading time for money. The wealthy use systems, investments, and scalable income sources. If you're still relying only on a paycheck, you're playing the slowest game possible. Here's a fact: the average millionaire has at least 7 income streams. If you have just one, you're vulnerable. The first step is shifting your mindset from "I work for money" to "money works for me." Here's something most people never do. Instead of setting small financial goals, aim for 5 times your target. If your goal is to make an extra $10,000 this year, challenge yourself to aim for $50,000. Why? It forces you to think differently. A $10,000 goal makes you think about cutting back on expenses, eating out less, canceling subscriptions, saving a little here and there. But a $50,000 goal makes you think about creating, starting a business, launching a side hustle, investing. That's a game changer. Most people spend time on things that don't pay them back. Instead, focus on high-leverage skills, the skills that companies and businesses will pay a premium for. Things like copywriting, sales and marketing, automation and AI tools, investing strategies. Warren Buffett says, "The best investment you can make is in yourself." Why? Because skills compound. A skill you learn today could make you money for the next 50 years. Here's something controversial: saving money alone won't make you rich. Inflation eats your cash. The key? Turn your income into a machine that makes more money. Instead of just saving, focus on building assets that generate cash flow: stocks, real estate, digital products, reinvesting profits into businesses or scalable income streams, making money work instead of sitting in a bank account collecting dust. The wealthy don't just rely on jobs. They build income machines, streams of money that flow in whether they're working or not. Want an example? Selling digital products, rental income, stocks and dividend investing, monetizing content, YouTube, blogs, online courses, automated online businesses. Once you have an income machine, you stop chasing money and start attracting it. Most people get paid for what they do, their time and labor. But the highest earners get paid for what they know. Think about this. Why do consultants charge thousands per hour? Why do online courses make millions? Because knowledge is scalable. Instead of just doing the work, start sharing what you know through coaching, consulting, or digital products. The internet lets you sell knowledge at scale, and that's where the real money is. Most people work a job, then try to fit their dreams around it. Flip that. First, decide what kind of life you want, how much money it takes, where you want to live, what you want to do. Then build income streams that fit that life. Do you want to work from anywhere, travel often, retire early? Instead of following the standard path, create a financial plan that supports your lifestyle goals. Here's what no one will tell you. You don't have to be the smartest, richest, or hardest working person to achieve financial success. You just need to think differently. The easiest way to reach your goals? Use leverage. Leverage your time, your skills, your money, and even other people's expertise. That's how real wealth is built. Now tell us in the comments, what's one thing you'll start doing differently today? And if you want more uncommon strategies, subscribe now. Let's build wealth the smart way.